Hello everyone, my name is Abubakar Salim and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to move an object in Scratch. So basically, we will be discussing the overall motion. And whenever we want to move anything, the first thing that we have to do is we have to add an event in our project. So let's suppose I want to move this cat. So the first thing that I want to do is I'll be adding an event. Now there are different events and I'll be using the first event, which is when flag button clicked. We'll be discussing all the events in the upcoming videos, but right now we'll be using this flag clicked event. And it means that whenever I will click this flag button, my code will be executed at that time. So now I want to move my object, and for that I'll be selecting this motion option from code snippet. Now you can see there are different options. The first one is move 10 steps. Then there is a turning option, go to random position, and there are so many other options. So we'll be discussing all these options one by one. First one is move 10 steps. So you can see that right now my character is at the middle of the stage, and on x-axis its position is 0, and on y-axis its position is 0. As soon as I press this flag button, uh, my character will move. So you can see I have clicked on this button and my character has moved. A little bit movement you can see. If I want to make a big change, like 50, now you can see that my character is moving and it's going towards the right corner as I click on this flag button. Okay, so this is the movement. This is how we can move our object. Then there are other options too. Just give me a moment. I'll be changing this position once again so that it comes back to its original position. Now there is an option to move, to turn the object. Right now the direction of the object is 90 degree. You can see here, but we can change it, and to do that we'll be using 30 right now. So when I will click on this button, my object will turn 30 degrees in clockwise direction. Okay, so I have clicked the flag button and the character has moved 30 degrees. Again I have clicked the button and the character has moved 30 degrees. So this is to turn the character. Then there is an option, just give me a moment, yeah. Then there is an option to go to a random position. So we can go to the random position, and for that we just select go to random position option. Now when I will click this flag button, my character will randomly move from one place to another place like this. Again I will be clicking on this button and now my character has moved there. So this is how you can randomly change the position of your object. Then there is go to X and Y. So if you want to change both X and Y position, you can do it by this option. Right now I want to change X axis to 30 and Y axis to 80. So when I will click on this button, the object has moved and you can see the change. Just give me a moment. You can see the change here. X has changed to 30 and Y has changed to 80. So this is go to X and Y. Now the next option is glide to random position. Glide means that you can see the movement, and I have the seconds mean that in how much time will that character will move from one position to another, glide from one position to another. So when I will click on this, my character will move randomly from its initial position to that random position in 1 second. Again, from initial position to that random position in 1 second. If I change this time to 2 seconds, now the movement will be slowed down. So you can also do that. Then there is glide 1 second. Now you can, instead of selecting the random position, you can specify the position here. Then point in direction, you can change the direction of your object from here. Just let me show you this. Like if I have selected 0, and when I will press this, my object will turn its position to 0 degrees. Okay, so it's very simple to move the object. Uh, the next thing is change x by 10. So it will change the position of our character in x-axis. Similarly, we can change the y position. And the last thing here is, or if on edge bounce. So we can uh, make our object bounce when it reaches the edge, and we'll be doing that in the upcoming projects. I think I have discussed all the commands that are present in motion section. So if there is any question that you want to ask, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have liked the video, please press on the thumbs up button and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.